Morning everyone. I'm expecting that you went through the video that was uploaded yesterday and you didn't face any problem in doing the content. Fine, today we are starting with the linear equation in one variable, and in this topic we will be covering certain terms which I'm going to explain you. First thing is, what do you understand by linear equation? So linear equation is that equation in which the power of all the terms, when I'm saying terms means the variables only, will be one only. If you want to remember the laws of the exponents in past chapter, then you will be understanding using the word power what I'm trying to say, right? Now coming to the examples, x plus 4, here you can see the power is 1, therefore it is the linear equation. Here x plus 7 is equals to 1, again the power is 1. Here also z plus 8, which the power is 1, therefore these are the examples of your linear equation. Now one variable means only one unknown variable. It was already told to you in your previous classes that variable is something which can vary, or the unknowns whose values you have to find out. The unknowns will be in the form of all the letters of your English alphabet. Here I have written alphabet, which should be the letter of the English alphabet. All those are your unknown. Now so if in the given equation there is only one unknown, or you are given only one alphabet, that is the linear equation in one variable. So all these examples are your linear equations in one variable. If I talk about the linear equations in two variables, then the number of unknowns will be 2. For example, this is the example of your linear equation in two variable, because here x and y both are your variables. Now many students used to commit the mistake when they are asked what is the difference between the expression and the equation. So expression is mathematical statement without using equals to sign. Suppose if I am giving you only, I am talking about only this much, I am not considering this part, therefore this is the mathematical expression only. However, equation is the mathematical statement with using equals to sign. If I am talking about the equation, then I will have to cover this part. Means for equation it is mandatory that there should be a sign of equals to. Now directly coming to the questions, here you have to solve, you have to find out the values of the unknowns. The question 1 which is given in your exercise is x minus 2 is equals to 7. To begin with, always remember that on whichever side your variable is given, the variable should be isolated. There should be no other term with that variable. Therefore, to make it isolated, I will have to shift this. I will have to shift, if you want to say, you can say, or you can say the term transpose. I will have to shift this to the right hand side. These are your sign conventions. Means when minus sign is moving or crossing the sign of equal to, then it will be your plus sign, and if the plus sign is crossing your equals to, then it will become your negative. Same is the case with multiplication and division. When multiplication is crossing the sign of equals to, it will become division, and division is crossing the sign of equals to, then it will be your multiplication. So here negative will become positive, 2 will come here, 7 plus 2 is 9. Coming to the fifth part, here 6x is equals to 12. You have to find out the value of x. It means you have to make it isolated. Therefore this 6 will come to this side. Now it is in multiplication. When you are crossing this equals to sign, then it will be in your division. So 6 will come in division here. 12 will get divided by 6 2 times. So x is equals to 2, the value of your unknown. Now coming to the question number 4, 3 upon x plus x is equals to 17 upon 7. Again you have to find out the value of x. Therefore this should come here. It is positive here, therefore when it will come here it will be negative. The fractions are like, therefore the LCM will remain 7. On solving this you will get 14 upon 7. 7 will divide 14 by 2, therefore 2 is your answer. Talking about this 9 question, then 7x minus 9 is equals to 16. Again this 9 will be shifted to this. It is negative here, it will come positive here. So on solving this you get 25. Now this 7 is in multiplication. When it will be coming to this side, it will be in division. So answer will be 25 by 7. The last part of the exercise, 12 part. X upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 upon 15. Now you have to find out this value of this x. Therefore first all these plus or minus operations should be sorted out. So this 7 upon 15 will remain here, this positive one will come here, it will be negative because here we are crossing the equals to sign. So on solving this, I am getting minus 8 upon 15 as the answer. Here x upon 3 is equals to minus 8 upon 15. Now it is in division here, it will come to the multiplication. So it is in multiplication here. We got minus 24 upon 15. Then 3 is common to both. So both the terms will be divided by 3 and we will get finally answer as minus 8 upon 5. That's all for today. For your practice, I will send the pic of the exercise separately in the group. Thank you.